Ele tu Karbi kur phopen Nepal pet keba ngalang itu bhan kapine anong ipajiri taho asi Tara Bahadur Boratuki salang tu bhan pine ani kang sampen sa hum upajan taho to alang ni rana ka fle tu mahin tenta latihan Nepal pe ke bang ju potu pe dan to nasya lopang alo sala pagi raja archolo Tara Bahadur Boratuki do asalang ni phasi sab so puni phani chone lo today actually we are very fortunate that we have a prominent writer and a president Makalu Sahitya Samaj Karbi from Nepal. So I would like to request Mr. Tara Bahadur Boratuki to say a few words on this festival. How you feel? आपको मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ आप आइए नेपाल से इसे कुछ दो शब्द बोले हमारे फेस्टिवल के बारे में कुछ
Kado kape aphan ta kardam Hazir Iglo, chairperson of the program Chandra Singh Crow, president of Cultural Society KCS, chief guest Dr. Tuliram Ponghan, chief executive member Karbi Autonomous Council, General Secretary Karbi Vidya Singh Rongpe, General Secretary Karbi Cultural Academy, Krishna Bhatrai, nominated MAC, Member of Autonomous Council, and then distinguished guests, dear journalists, professors, teachers, students, Sadi Kalakaron, ladies and gentlemen, all the dearest participants of this Karbi Youth Festival today. First of all, I would like to worship Apirthe and sing Baman Po, kissing lovely to the soil of Karbi district for grand success of this festival and prosperity and happiness of Karbi people here. Today, I am very much excited to be here for addressing 49th Glorious Karbi Youth Festival 2023 on the beach of Brahmaputra River and yard of Kama Rupa Kamaksha temple here. I hope this festival will be fruitful to expand the relationship and brotherhood among human and will be successful to establish identity of Karbi people in the world. Today, I am here on the great land of Apirthe. I would like to share a message of Lord Buddha, Paruhan Sunnima and Shiva Parvati, the alba of Himalayan country Nepal. I would like to respectfully remember the brave Karbi ancestors who have sacrificed their blood, toil, sweat and tears for establishment, protection and development of Karbi civilization in this sacred land. I request you grant me permission to convey the special wishes of indigenous Aborigine people of Nepal for grand success of the great festival, especially Kulungs, Gurungs, Newars, Kumals, Limbus, Lorungs, Yampus and Yakhas from Arun Valley as wishes and remember you heartily. नेपाल का भी इंडिजिनियस पीपुल ने आपको हार्दिकता पूर्वक वहां से संदेश पठाया है और आपको सम्मान पूर्वक वहाँ रहने से समझ रहा है, आपको सम्मान करते रहे हैं. Nepal and Nepali people have hope for successful festival and its golden jubilee in 2080 that you are going to celebrate next year, and there will be the chief guest Mr. Joe Biden of America, and it will go all over the universe. Perhaps you are not unknown that we have celebrated exchanging production culture on 27th August 2022 in Karbi, hosted by Mokalu Sahitya Samaj, who have initially shared the worship of Singh Baman Po Himalayas in that program. Me and my family warmly welcome to all literary cultural delegates from Karbi Anglong in our home and our hometown. Formally, Coordination District Chief Mr. Suman Sakya, Khatbari Municipality Chief Mr. Mahesh Thapalia, Chief District Officer Nur Hari Khatioda, government officials, indigenous aborigine people group were welcoming heartily to the nature worshipping Karbi people with offering local productions. I am here as the continuity of relation between Karbi Kurfu Amai and Sankhua Sabha. It is also the continuity of strong relation between Karbi and Gorkha here from the past. I am grateful to thank the host of Karbi Youth Festival, Karbi Society, Karbi Culture Society and Karbi Kurfu Amai et al. Nepali people highly respect to Assam that it has provided land, happiness and prosperity to Gorkhas and the diasporas here. I am feeling happy and proud of Karbi because great Karbi heart has honored Nepal and Nepali language here, inviting me as a special guest in this festival. Raithane, a Nepali book written by prominent writer Mr. Rana Kafle from Assam, is opening here by me and our chief guest. This significant event has proved that Karbi people and Gorkha people are living here with integrity, fraternity and sympathy from century to millennium, and I would like to highly appreciate this enthusiasm here. We fondly observed glimpse displayed by Karbi youth generation yesterday evening. Taralangsho, my name is Tara and the place name is Taralangsho. Here is the relation. Taralangsho of Difu seems like heaven of stars in the earth. I thought Karbi Youth Festival is the greatest festival in the universe, and dimension of exhibition, production, culture and ornamentation is expressing truth, welfare and beauty on this land. A huge mass of indigenous aboriginal people are not able to protect their own sacramental culture in the world because of deconstructionalism and postmodernism. Similarly, digitalism, various more valuable and beautiful cultural heritage are disappearing and extincting from human civilization. We felt proud of Karbi tribe, Karbi Anglong, for great performance of culture in front of the world. This significant festival is fruitful for providing an incentive to protect and development their own culture and life to the people of the world. ILO 169 is fully applied here. I would like to congratulate you. Karbi culture will also be able to display the cultural heritage from generation to generation. There is a proverb in Nepal, if some power wants to destroy another community, culture is to be destroyed. But I hope any power cannot destroy the Karbi culture from this earth. Long live Karbi culture. According to the desire of Karbi Kurfo Amai, we have provided sufficient appropriate land near mountain in our country, Nepal. Nepal, for worshipping Singh Baman Po and construction Karbi Hemtong for cultural transmission. Gurbisek Community Forest Development Committee, Chichila, has committed to provide and facilitate tour opening of land. Similarly, Gauriman Rai Trust has committed to provide tour opening of on top of Khatbari municipality. Karbi Kurfo Amai is allotted to choose one or use both. I would like to hand over authorized committed documents here. One is signatured by Basanta Gurum and other is signatured by Dil Kumari Rai. We would thank them from here. I hope these papers will be able to strengthen and widen relations tightly and heartily between Sangkhua Sabha district of Nepal and Karbi Anglong district of Assam, India. Brahmaputra River and Arun River will be happy. Makalu Sahitik Samaj and whole people of Arun Valley are ready to facilitate for continuing this relation to all the Karbi people in our country, Nepal. Prominent writer Honorable Rana Kafle and poet Vishnu Nirola will facilitate to forward and to implement future activities of relation. Makalu Sahitik Samaj is always ready to help for success of our dreams and desires in future. I would like to invite you in Nepal for a journey of Himalayan heaven in future as far as it is practicable. Our grateful thank and love for this host and warm welcome. Long live Karbi culture, long live our relation, long live Karbi Anglong, and long live Gorkha. Thank you Nepal, thank you India, thank you so much, thank you.